Your smartwatch can count thousands of steps without ever seeing your feet. So what is it actually counting? The short answer is movement patterns. Most smartwatches use a tiny sensor called an accelerometer. It measures how the watch speeds up, slows down, and changes direction in 3 dimensions. Some watches also combine this information with a gyroscope, which measures rotation. Inside a typical accelerometer is a microscopic structure called a proof mass. Imagine a tiny weight held in place by very small springs. When your wrist moves, the watch moves first and the mass shifts slightly behind. That shift changes an electrical property called capacitance. The sensor's electronics turn that change into digital motion data. Now imagine you start walking. Your arm swings forward and backward. Your whole body also rises, falls, speeds up, and slows down with each step. The accelerometer records these repeated changes along 3 axes. But one movement is not automatically counted as one step. Scratching your head, opening a door, or lifting a cup also moves your wrist. The watch needs to decide whether the motion looks like walking. That is the job of the step-counting algorithm. The software filters out gravity and small vibrations, then looks for a repeating rhythm with the right timing and strength. It checks whether several movements form a pattern similar to a human walking cycle. When the pattern passes the watch's rules, the counter increases. This is why a smartwatch does not need GPS to count steps. GPS can help estimate distance or map a route, but the basic step count can come entirely from motion sensors on your wrist. The system is clever, but it is not perfect. If you scrub a pan, shake your hand, or perform another repeated arm movement, the pattern may look enough like walking to create extra steps. The opposite can also happen. If you push a shopping cart, hold a railing, or carry something without swinging your arm normally, the watch may miss real steps. Different brands use different sensors, thresholds, and software. So 2 watches may show slightly different totals. Some devices also wait for several matching movements before confirming them, which helps reduce false counts. So a smartwatch does not count your feet directly. It measures motion, searches for the repeating pattern of walking, and turns each accepted pattern into a step. It is less like a person watching you walk and more like someone listening to a rhythm and deciding, that beat sounds like another step.